Hi, we are going to model and demonstrate for you some of the features and functions of Manhattan-Ogden USD 383's website. We want to guide you to reliable resources as it relates to students and families in Manhattan-Ogden USD 383. From your device, you will want to go to a web browser. And in the URL line, we are going to type in www.usd383.org. This will open up our Manhattan-Ogden Public Schools website. I want to remind and showcase the idea of the translation feature that is on our website. You can click this button and you can change the language that you want the website to translate to. Just for an example, I will translate it to Chinese. Many of the main buttons then will be translated to the language that you prefer. For the rest of this demonstration, I am going to continue in English. On our district website, I want you to guide and go to the middle of the page where we have a button and a circle that says COVID-19 updates. This is where we are posting our most up-to-date information for families in Manhattan-Ogden Public Schools. As you can see, this information we try to update as quickly as we can. I want to highlight on here the email that is linked. This is an email that you can write to ask questions, get answers, or share ideas. I also want to let you know that we do have a social media page. USD 383 Manhattan-Ogden's Facebook page also has various information as it relates to COVID-19 and our school district plan. From this main COVID page that we have on here, COVID-19, to the left you will see some of the information tabs here. Let's look at child nutrition. When I click on the child nutrition tab, information as it regards to our current structure and information in this time period is here on this form. Notice the interactive map that's available to see where some of our feeding sites or school lunch locations are. The other one I'd like to point you out to, again on the left navigation side, is community resources. Community resources are essential to get that reliable and up-to-date information. It provides information about various programs and organizations within our community. Most of these titles will be taking you to another link or website. For example, when I click on Harvesters, it will take me to the Harvesters website. I'd also like to point you in the direction of these resources here. The first one is a link to Riley County Health Department. Riley County Health Department, again, is our reliable and fact-based information that is important for our Manhattan community. The next one here is the Kansas Department of Health and Environment. This one is relevant information as it pertains to our state of Kansas. So we have Manhattan and the Riley County Health Department. We also have the state of Kansas. The last one on here is Center for Disease Control. This was more reference to our nation. This has up-to-date and information in various forms. One thing that I like to do is 1, check out the translated pages. 2, if there's a specific language you are looking for, in the search button, search for that language. Resources and information in the language that you have put should come up on your screen, and you should be able to access those. Again, we want to guide you to our Manhattan-Ogden USD 383 webpage for information being shared with our students and families of USD 383. Again, to get to that, you will do www.usd383.org. From the district webpage, please go down to the COVID-19 updates. On this updated page, information will be shared out to families. On the left side are various links to different programs such as child nutrition and community resources. If you have questions, please email this address, coronavirus@usd383.org. Also follow on the social media pages to stay updated on information. Thank you.